Bella Aurora Skincare Review. Bella Aurora has truly carved out a niche in the skincare world with its laser focus on pigmentation and anti-aging. I've tried a few of their products, and here's my take. Lotion Bottle Product Performance. Splendor 10-Day Cream SPF 20. This cream feels luxurious and targets multiple signs of aging. It uses epigenetic ingredients like soy isoflavones and royal jelly peptides to boost collagen and reduce wrinkles. The texture is rich but absorbs well, leaving my skin feeling firm and hydrated too. Bio-10 Forte Mark S, a standout for post-inflammatory dark spots. It uses B-Core 221 technology to deliver depigmenting agents directly to melanin-producing cells. I noticed a visible reduction in acne scars after consistent use for about 8 weeks. 4cc Cream SPF 50+, offers excellent sun protection and a natural tint that adapts to my skin tone. It's lightweight, evens out my complexion, and doubles as a daily sunscreen. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants and DNA repairing ingredients. 7. Herb Ingredients and Innovation. Bella Aurora doesn't skimp on science. Their use of patented technologies and ingredients like Camellia oleifera oil, kojic acid, and Thermophilus ferment shows a commitment to both efficacy and skin health. Speech Balloon Pros. Effective dark spot reduction. High sun protection across products. Anti-aging benefits backed by innovative science. Pleasant textures and finishes. Warning: cons. Some products may feel heavy for oily skin. Fragrance can be strong for sensitive users. Higher price point compared to drugstore brands. Orange Heart Final Thoughts. If pigmentation and aging are your top concerns, Bella Aurora is worth the investment. Their formulas are thoughtful, targeted, and backed by over a century of expertise. Just be sure to patch test if you have sensitive skin.